The Birdman of the Bronx. The New York State bird. Well, at least the city bird. Good old pigeon. We got pigeon, sparrow, seagull. Then you got me for any scraps. But we'll let them get the fair pickings. Well, I think that's about it. That's a wrap from the Birdman of the Bronx. I know how to get them over here. One more. There they come. They're gonna come right over to me. Come on, little birdies. I threw you a treat. There they come now. Yeah, I threw a little something out the window. They're like bread. More than French fries. Yeah. There you go, boys. There you go, boys. All right. Remember, birds of a feather flock together. Remember, straighten up and fly right, everybody. Straighten up and fly right.